Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy KLG back with another video for y'all, man. If y'all new to this channel and y'all been watching the channel, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and hit that ding button to stay notified, man. But anyway, we got another horror game for y'all, man. Of course, we gotta throw out the horror games for y'all. So this one's called MADiSON. So I just opened up the itch.io homepage, and this was the first game I saw that caught my eyes and everything. I went on that page, and I saw little pics and everything, and this looked realistic. So I gotta try it, man. There's no point. There's no doubt about it. I'm not running away from this. I gotta try it. But yeah, let's just get into it, man. Let's go. Tell me what we got. MADiSON. This is the early development demo. The final release may differ after development process. Be aware, you may experience bugs, unfinished features. I got you, my boy. Let's go. Let's go. God. This look freaking real. This look freaking real, bro. I see roaches on the floor. See roaches on the floor, bro. Bro, this looks so real, bro. I could talk when I'm seeing pictures, but while I'm actually controlling it in the game, yo, it's a different feeling, bro. It's a different feeling. Who's in? I don't even know. I should have finished walking down that damn hallway. That's what I should have done. What's that? Look like a key, right? Yep. I grabbed the key. Okay. Because my keyboard backing up like OD. Alright, we good. We're good. We made it out there. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. We made it out of there. Oh, can I use this? No? Okay. No. It doesn't go with it. It doesn't go for that. Oh. Who's there? Who's there? Okay. Okay. Oh, what the? Was that there before? Nah, it wasn't. It was not there before, bro. I can examine something. What's that say? Nothing. What is this? What is this? Can't really. This is to notify that your child. What? Can't see. Can I zoom in or something? Oh yeah, I can zoom. All right, get it right. Let's get it right. Yeah. Well, yo, I'm about to put this damn thing down. I can't. What the hell is that? I got no time, man. I'm panicking. I'm like, yo, I can't even talk right now. I can't even talk right now, man. I don't know what this big ass. Like, what is that, man? That shit just popped up over there.
Fuck.
Okay. Okay. I can't run. No running, right? Still got this damn key. I don't know what to do with. Oh wait, what the? Oh, I could open it. Man, what the? See some. I'm gonna leave that clock alone, man. That joint is. Hello? Oh my God! All right, I'm moving. Okay, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want, my guy? That's a lot of pictures. That's mad creepy, bro. What the? Yo, that dude is. That dude looking at me, right? That dude looking at me. That dude looking at me. What the? Oh, this game, man. What is this? What is this? Okay.
My birthday present? But how did it get here?
Luca? Oh my god, I'm about to put the. What? God damn, they gave you a busted camera, man. The camera made from like 1919. Damn, bro, shit. Oh, okay. One step. One step of what? One step of dying right now? Okay. Oh, I gotta take. Oh no. Y'all want me to take snaps and pictures of what? Of what, man? This is a Polaroid camera, bro. What you want me to take a picture of? Nah, that joint look crazy. What you want me to take a picture, man?
Shit.
Okay, I tried it. Nothing happened. Oh my god, bro. All right, just go ahead, take a picture. What the? I can't take a selfie.
I think I'm out of film.
What's this? What's this say in the back? Oh my god, get out of there, man. Something's moving in here. Like what? Stop it. Come on, bro. I'm trying to control this. Albert Maxwell, 1968. Okay. Who's moving, bro? Who's in here with me? Yo, stop. Yo. Oh, nah.
Oh, God.
What's in here? All right, I'm looking too long, y'all. What's going on?
The remaining belongings in the Hale family estate were finally auctioned, as well as some gold and diamond jewelry.
Yo.
Most noteworthy was Miss Hale's precious instant camera, which has finally found a new owner. It's been 30 years since the notorious multiple murders.
I can't look at that long.
Numerous auctions of the family assets, no one had previously purchased her camera.
Not it? Yo, bro. Chill. This
Shit.
chair is following me, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, this chair is bug. Is like it's trippy, bro. Oh.
Point, shoot, print, and shake.
Oh! Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh. Oh. That chair floating? That chair floating? Oh no. Oh damn, bro. I should never took a picture of that. I should have never took a picture of that. What is that? What is that? Okay. Nothing is in there. Nothing is in there. Alright. Nothing, bro. Go back in this room. Okay. Oh, what the? I'm hearing mad stuff just going around, bro. I can't take it, man. Bro, I can't take it, man. Oh, that's. What the hell is this?
I still remember how much it hurt to wear that thing.
What the? Who was wearing this, bro? I didn't see that. Hey. Wait. Forget it. I'm out of here, man. I can't deal with that anymore. I cannot. I hate these things where they be going. Nah, that's a cup. I already picked up that, man. There's nothing here no more, man. What the hell is moving back there? Man. Hey. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Hey, why does it tell me inventory? Inventory. What? No. I can't use it. There's nothing for me to use. Oh, okay. Can I use this?
I might want to look around for something else first.
Man, I don't even know, man. I can't. Wait, what the? So that's all I had to do, man? Just try to put a pit. I gotta move this damn thing again, man. Oh, what is it? Oh. I was about to say, what is that? Oh, come on, bro. Okay. So I gotta move the damn cloth again, even though that cloth is down there. Something in here? No? Oh, God. Is it down there? No. Oh my God, what do you? Oh! Damn clock again, man. I didn't want that damn thing. Oh shit. Wait a minute. The nail. I got in. Wait, what the hell? Did I just pick up a nail? Oh wait. All right. I think I know. Supposed to what? Hang it up, right? Oh, what the? Ooh. Let me just do what I'm supposed to do. Supposed to hang up the thing. That thing came out of nowhere. No? Oh yeah. We in business. We in business. Now I'll take the picture. Yeah. There we go. What happened? I already did it. For nothing? Let me just try to take a picture though. No? No, I ain't do nothing. Did I take a picture of him? Oh, what the? Dingo, what the hell, bro? Eyes. All I see is eyes. Pointing at me? Yeah, he's pointing at me. What the? Oh! The hell? I ain't seen this dude before. Oh, study key. I gotcha. That's it. Alright, that's gonna do it for this video, man. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up and that ding notification so you won't miss another upload, man. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.